Alright, now I'm going to introduce few technical drawing tools. First, this is a masking tape, which is used to fix the position of the drawing paper on table. Besides that, of course, we need pencil for drawing and hatching purpose. Next, here is a T-square, which is used as a guide for drawing a straight horizontal line on drafting table. Well, this is called a set square, which have two types. One is with 45-degree angle and another one is with 60 or 30 degree. So normally it is used together with T-square to draw a straight vertical line. Okay, so this is called a scale ruler, which have two types. So basically it is marked with a range of calibrated scale or ratio for drawing and measuring from reduced scale drawings such as blueprints and floor plans. Lastly, we have a protractor, which is used to measure the angle, especially the angle of roof. So when we draw a roof, we need it to produce an accurate angle. "2,000 years later."